How to find your Windows 11 or 10 product key using the Registry Editor. Okay. Here is how. First, you can do this by typing Registry Editor. Here it is, click to open. Click on Yes to continue. Once the Registry Editor is open, navigate to the following key. H key local machine. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Move down to expand Windows NT. Click on Current Version. Again move down to Software Protection. Now, on the right side, look for a value called Backup Product Key. Now here you will be able to see your product key for future use. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Windows 10 product key using the Registry Editor. Remember, your product key is sensitive information, so make sure to keep it safe and secure. If you ever need to reinstall Windows or activate it on a new device, you'll have it ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.